It's already Fun Fact Friday for real estate. If you're planning to sell your house, you may be wondering what work you should do before you list. Here's a look at a few outdoor projects that could give you the best return on your investment and help your house give a good first impression. Things like lawn care service, make your yard look good, landscape upgrades, outdoor kitchens, and a new patio or deck generally have the best return on investment. But keep in mind, it all depends on our local market trends. That's why it's important for us to work together before you start anything so you know which updates have the biggest impact in your area. I know what buyers are looking for, and I know how to highlight those upgrades so you make your listing really stand out. Let's chat so I can help you figure out what to focus on. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next Friday.